How to check login history on Snapchat. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Snapchat application, then go to your profile. Tap on this gear icon settings. And scroll all the way down and find saved login info. Tap on it and you will see the devices that you have saved your login info in. And then if you want to see your login history, what you have to do is tap on session management, and here you will see all the login details including the device, time you logged in, and the location. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.